Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down 3 essentials: camera, set, and plan. Mount your phone or camera on a tripod and lock position so nothing shifts. That matters because tiny moves ruin continuity. Once the frame is fixed, build a simple flat set with a non-reflective background and steady light. LED panels work. Then plan short motion blocks, 1 to 2 seconds each, aiming for 12 to 24 frames per second so you know how many photos to shoot. Now you shoot deliberately. Switch to manual exposure and manual focus so your camera won't change brightness or sharpness mid-shot. Move the subject in tiny, consistent increments, measure with a ruler or place 1 cm markers, because even spacing creates smooth motion. After each small series, capture frames and play them back in short loops to check motion. This feedback helps you correct pacing early. Make sure to keep lighting constant and avoid touching the camera. Consistency yields fluid animation. To finish, import your frames, set the frame rate, trim excess, and apply easing. Slower it starts and stops to make motion feel natural. Once done, stabilize any tiny shakes, color correct for consistent tones, and add simple sound effects or music to sell the action. If you see flicker, tackle it by batch editing exposure or using exposure ramp tools. Alternatively, shoot in RAW and adjust consistently across frames. If something still goes wrong, isolate the bad frames and reshoot those short segments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.